Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about the age sums, how to solve the age sums in linear equation. So this question is from R.S. Agarwal book, exercise 7b and question number 20. So the question is given as follows: father is 30 years older than his son. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. So the question is given here: a father is 30 years older than his son. So whose name is written? We have to see the full stop. Where is the full stop? It is the full stop. Okay. So the question is the father. A father is 30 years older than his son. So son's name is written at the second. The name whose name is written at the second, you have to take that name as X. Okay. So this is son. So age sum always written as present age. Okay. So we will start as let the present age of son equal to X. So here the son's name is written at the second. So the rule is the present age of son. Let the present age of son equal to X. We don't know the father's age and son's age. So among father and son we have to take one's age as X. So son's name is written at the second. So we have to take the present age of son equal to X. Let the present age of son equal to X. Then the father is 30 years older. Older means 30 years more than his son. So you will write then the present age of father equal to son's age is X and he is 30 years older. 30 years older to X plus 30. Understood? This is son's present age and this is father's present age. Okay. Now go to the second line. This is first line is over. We have to take the age in present age. Okay. So present age of son is X and the present age of father is, as it is given, he is older than his son. How much years? 30 years. So son is X plus 30. 30 years ज़्यादा है, मोर है, ओल्डर है, इसलिए बेटा है एक्स का साथ ऐड करना है 30 इयर्स को. ठीक है. यहाँ अगर टाइम दिया रहता तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओल्डर दिया गया तो इसमें हम लोग को क्या करना है? प्लस करना है. ओके. ना इन 12 इयर्स द मैन विल बी. तो इन 12 इयर्स, सो राइट डाउन इन 12 इयर्स मीन्स आफ्टर 12 years the father will be X. The father is X. So X plus 30 plus 12 equal to X plus 30 plus 12 equal to 42. Understood? After 12 years, the father will grow and son is also grow. How much years? After 12 years, the father अभी कितने हैं? X plus 30. 12 साल बाद कितने होंगे? तो you have to add 12. तो X plus 42. Understood? This is father's age after 12 years. Then the son will be, आपको future tense में लिखना है. The son's age will be, बेटा का एज होगा, will be. बेटा कितना था? प्रेजेंट एज X. अभी कितना है? X. His present age is X. Now 12 साल बाद, after 12 years, after 12 years means the son will be, son आज अगर X है तो 12 साल बाद और 12 ऐड हो जाएगा तो X plus 12. Understood these two lines? 12 साल बाद फादर होंगे, फादर विल बी. आज का प्रेजेंट एज है X plus 30 प्लस 12, क्योंकि 12 साल बाद के बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो X plus 30 plus 12 equal to 42. ओके, नाउ द सन्स प्रेजेंट एज विल बी, सन आज x था, सन का प्रेजेंट एज x है, मैंने आज वो प्रेजेंट में x ईयर्स का है, और 12 साल बाद कितना होगा, x + 12. ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन क्वेश्चन, फिर से आपको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है कि इन 12 years द मैन विल बी 3 times as old as his son. द मैन विल बी, पापा होंगे, फादर होंगे, तो द मैन, हु इज मैन, पापा का एज क्या है 12 साल बाद, x + 42, पापा होंगे, तो पापा को सीधा यहाँ लिखना है तुमको, तो x प्लस फादर्स इज 12 इज इक्वल टू होंगे तो इसलिए इक्वल देंगे, सन्स एज विल बी, तो सन्स का एज ये है, सन का कितना साल होंगे, फिर से रीड करते हैं क्वेश्चन, इन 12 years द मैन विल बी 3 times, 3 गुना ज़्यादा होंगे अपना बेटा से, तो बेटा 12 ईयर बाद कितना है, x + 12, इसका 3 गुना होंगे पापा, तो ये पापा है, पापा को हम लोग लिख दिए हैं, और बेटा है x + 3, सो इट इज़ 12, x + 12 पहले लिख देंगे हम लोग, x + 12 ब्रैकेट देंगे, 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, क्यों, क्योंकि बोला गया है 12 साल बाद पापा होंगे, 12 साल बाद पापा ये है x + 42, अपना बेटा का 3 times, अपना बेटा का 3 times, बेटा है 12 साल बाद x + 12, उसका 3 times, तो आगे में 3 लगाना है, ये बाइनोमियल है, एज इट इज़ अ बाइनोमियल यू हैव टू पुट अ ब्रैकेट एंड राइट 3 इन द बिगिनिंग. ओके, नाउ इन द स्टार्टिंग, सो x plus 42 equal to 3 into x, 3x plus distributive law, 3 12s are 36. Now do the linear equation, solve by linear equation, x equal to, okay, here it is minus 3x, so you can put it in the left hand side and you have to put minus sign, it is minus sign, okay, this is nothing. So x minus 3x equal to, already 36 is here, you know linear equation how to solve, so it is minus 42. Okay, now x minus 3x equal to minus 2x equal to 12 minus 6, so minus 6. Okay, minus cancel, now write down 2x equal to 6, then x equal to 6 by 2, it is equal to 3. Therefore, you got the answer x equal to 3. Now tell me who is x? The son is x. Okay, yes, the son's present age equal to, therefore the present age of son equal to how much? The present age of son, you have written x, and x value you got 3, so it is 3 years. Okay, and the father's present age equal to, it was x plus 30, x plus 30, so in place of x you will write 3 plus 30, so the father's present age equal to 33 years. In this way you can solve the sum, and finally you will write the answer as son's age equal to, son's present age equal to 3 years, and father's present age equal to 33 years. In this way you will get the answer. Hope you all understood.